not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's and yesterday's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. India beats Australia in Melbourne cricket ground after how many years? 40 years, 50 years, 37 years or 35 years? The answer is C, 37 years. Now, Indian team creates history. This is the first victory at the historic Melbourne cricket ground after 37 years. India takes 2-1 lead in 4 test match series of the Border Gavaskar Trophy. The first test match being played at Adelaide, followed by Perth and Melbourne. The fourth and the final test match will be played at the Sydney. Now, Virat Kohli equals Sourav Ganguly's record of 11 test wins as the captain of Indian team. Now, these are the list of records made by the Indian members. Do remember, very important from exam point of view. Rishabh Pant, he is the first Indian wicketkeeper to take 20 catches in a test series. Jasprit Bumrah, he is the top wicket taker in 2018 across the formats. Who is the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha? Mallikarjun Kharge, Ghulam Nabi Azad, Arun Jaitley or Manmohan Singh? The answer is B. Ghulam Nabi Azad is the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha. A very important question, previously asked many times in many exams. Do remember, a triple talaq bill which was passed earlier in the Lok Sabha will be introduced in the Rajya Sabha today on December 31st. Opposition parties have huge numbers in the Rajya Sabha. The leader of the opposition, Ghulam Nabi Azad, will be coordinating with the other opposition parties to demand that the bill to be sent to MP's panel to examine the provisions of the bill. Sheikh Hasina belongs to which political party? Bangladesh National Party, Bangladesh Awami League, Workers' Party of Bangladesh or Jatiya Party? The answer is B, Bangladesh Awami League. Now you need to have minimum idea of neighboring countries' national leaders along with their political parties. Very important. Now Sheikh Hasina set for the 4th term as the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Now Ms. Hasina bagged 2,29,539 votes while her opponent from the Bangladesh National Party got only 123 votes. Now this is the landslide win for the second women Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina. Awami League clean sweeps in the 11th general elections of Bangladesh. Who is the noted Bengali filmmaker who passed away at the age of 95 in Kolkata? Mrinal Sen, Satyajit Ray, Ritwik Ghatak, Tapan Sinha? The answer is A. Mrinal Sen is the noted Bengali filmmaker who passed away at the age of 95 in Kolkata. Now, he was regarded as the Indian cinema street fighter. He received the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in the year 2003. Now, this award is said to be the India's highest award in the field of cinemas. His first Hindi film was Bhuvan Shom. Remember, it came up in the year 1969. Mrinal Sen was the last of the Bengal triumvirate. A triumvirate is the group of 3 people who are in control of an organization or activity. Now, these 3 people of the Bengali filmmakers include Mrinal Sen, Satyajit Ray and Ritwik Ghatak. In which state is the Jatayu Conservation Breeding Centre located? Punjab, Haryana, Karnataka, Kerala? The answer is B, Haryana. Now Jatayu is the vulture. Vulture Conservation Breeding Centre is located in the Birshikargarh Wildlife Sanctuary of Haryana. Remember, the wildlife sanctuary exclusively meant for The vultures, very important from exam point of view. The Himalayan griffon vultures of North India visited its habitat in South India as part of the winter migration. Now, according to Old World vultures, there are almost 9 different vulture species. One among them is the Indian vulture, which is noted as a critically endangered in the IUCN Red List. The population of the vultures is declining drastically in recent days. Now, what is the main importance of the vultures? They scavenge on the carcass of the dead animals and thus they remove the bacteria from the environment. So, it is very important to conserve and breed the vultures. How many countries have sent their own manned missions to space so far? 2 countries, 3 countries, 4 countries or 5 countries? The answer is B, 3 countries. Now, so far only 3 countries have made it to the manned missions to space, which includes Russia, US and China. India aims to become the 4th country to launch manned space mission in the year 2022. Now, this is the data which shows the number of satellites launched by different countries, including India. This data shows the failure rate of launching satellites is highest in India when compared among the other countries. Now, India has the highest failure rate, almost 11.27% in launching satellite, and the lowest failure rate is seen in France, only 2.39%. That means France has successfully launched almost all its satellites. In the year 2018, one satellite, GSAT-6A, has lost communication after being placed in the orbit. So you need to remember GSAT-6A communication satellite launched by ISRO was a failure. It was launched on 29th of March 2018. The launching vehicle was GSLV Mark II. Now ISRO will launch GSAT-32 as a satellite replacement for GSAT-6A in the month of October 2019. Remember, all these points mentioned about GSAT-6A very important. Which island is renamed as Netaji Dweep? Neil Island, Havelock Island, Ross Island, Wheeler Island. The answer is C. Ross Island is renamed as Netaji Dweep. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a renaming of 3 islands of Andaman and Nicobar as a tribute to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Earlier, Subhash Chandra Bose presided in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In the year 1943, Bose had suggested that these islands should be renamed as Shahid and Swaraj Dweep. Now, Neil Island is renamed as Shahid Dweep and Havelock Island is renamed as Swaraj Dweep. So remember all these new names. According to Oxford Economics Institution study, which city would be the wealthiest city by 2035? Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Agra or Surat? The answer is D. Surat. The survey conducted by the Oxford Economic Institution says it is not London, New York or Tokyo, but top 10 metro cities from India will be the wealthiest cities listed by the end of 2035. And among these 10 metro cities from India, Surat will top the list with 9.17 annual growth of GDP. Surat is known for its fabric and diamond trade. Surat would be the wealthiest city by the end of 2035, followed by Agra, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Now let's see the question for the day. Union Cabinet approves how much amount as the project cost of Gaganyaan mission? 5,000 crore, 10,000 crore, 15,000 crore or 20,000 crore? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day question. Who was formally inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame on December 26, 2018? The answer is C. Ricky Ponting. ICC Hall of Fame recognizes the achievements of legends from the game of cricket. The awards were first given from the year 2009 onwards. Now, till date, only 5 Indians received the ICC Hall of Fame, which includes B.S. Bedi, Kapil Dev, Sunil Gavaskar, Anil Kumble, and recently Rahul Dravid. Remember all the list of Indians inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame, very important from exam point of view. Let's see the quote for the day. We all get the exact same 365 days. The only difference is what we do with them. So just introspect yourself. Do not repeat the same mistakes which you have done in 2018. Wishing all my subscribers and viewers a happy new year from Express Current Affairs. I hope 2019 will bring you a great success in your life. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.